What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are checking out the Oukitel WP39, a rugged smartphone built to survive the toughest conditions. But here's the real question. Is it worth buying? And more importantly, is this the right phone for you? Stick around and let's find out. Alright, let's start with what this phone is packing. It comes with a 2K IPS display, protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, we have a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus paired with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It runs Android 14 out of the box. For the cameras, the 64MP main sensor is a Sony IMX682. The 8MP night vision sensor comes from Hynix, and the 2MP macro sensor is from BYD. On the front, we get a 32MP Sony IMX616 sensor for selfies. Now, the main attraction here is the massive 11,000 mAh battery, which is massive. The phone is also IP68 and IP69 rated, meaning it's dust tight and water resistant. On top of that, it's military standard 810H certified, which means it can handle drops from up to 1.5 meters. Even though it's running Android 14, it's actually a stock Android experience with just a few extra features. No annoying ads, no bloatware, and everything runs smoothly. One thing I did notice is that the paint on the camera module isn't well bonded. After taking the phone in and out of the bag a few times, I started seeing chipping on the paint. Not a deal breaker, but still something to keep in mind. This phone actually has some unique features that you don't see on most Android devices. First, there's the Smart Key, which lets you open any app you assign. You can customize it with 3 modes: single click, double click, and long press. Next is the Smart Touch, which works like assistive touch on iPhones. A floating button appears on the screen, and when you tap it, you can launch an app or function that you've assigned. Then there's Easy Mode, which is great for people with vision impairments. And finally, the fingerprint button can also work as a back button or home button. Oukitel also included a Toolbag app, which has a sound meter, picture hanging guide, gradient level, height measurement tool, magnifier, protector, and plumb bob. Definitely useful for DIY work or carpentry. I just wish they had added laser leveling. That would have been perfect. With an 11,000 mAh battery, this thing is a beast. Even with light gaming and everyday tasks, it easily lasts 3 days. And the best part, you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices or vice versa. Now, this is where the WP39 truly shines. It's built to survive harsh conditions with military-grade drop protection and an IP68, IP69 rating. You can drop it on concrete, throw it in a pool, and still works. Since it uses the Sony IMX682 sensor, I had high hopes for the camera. And honestly, it's pretty solid in daylight. Photos have good sharpness and balanced colors, though sometimes it pops the colors a bit too much. Contrast and saturation look natural, unlike other phones that tends to overdo it. Even grass and leaves retain their real-life color instead of overly enhanced. That consistency in natural-looking photos is definitely a plus. Also, bonus points for capturing a cat peacefully sleeping. Now, low light performance is where it falls short. Photos can get blurry, even in well-lit environments. It also struggles with skin tones, sometimes getting them right, sometimes not. Selfies can be really good or bad. Depending on your angle, in some shots, you can get sharp details and balanced exposure, while in others, it's overexposed or blurry. At night, it's a similar story. Some shots maintain a subtle sharpness, but you start losing details quickly. And if the lighting isn't great, the image just falls apart. Front camera video is decent, but the color shifts depending on the lighting. At night, it's pretty much unusable unless you're in a well-lit environment. Using rear camera, video quality is just okay, but considering it has a Sony IMX682 sensor, I expected better results. The software definitely needs some tweaking to improve video recording. I tested Diablo Immortal and honestly, the experience wasn't great. I experienced frequent lag and frame drops. On the other hand, Call of Duty Mobile ran smoothly, with no lag or frame drops. Same with Mobile Legends, which handled well with no performance issues. And despite long gaming sessions, I didn't experience any overheating. So, is the Oukitel WP39 worth it? It's super durable, built to handle harsh conditions, and has a battery that lasts for days. It even doubles as a power bank. Plus, it comes with some unique features like the Smart Key, Smart Touch, and the Toolbag app. But it's not perfect. The camera struggles in low light, and the video recording could be much better. The phone originally launched at $399, but right now, it's on sale for $319.99. The only issue, it's currently out of stock in the US, though it's still available in some parts of Asia depending on the region. Would you buy this rugged beast? Let me know in the comments.